Let's check in on the markets now. Our business reporter Edward Boyd joins us. Ed, Wall Street did finish pretty mixed overnight. So how did the local market open?
Laura, ASX 200 is up 10 points in early trade, so 0.1%, so a slight lift for the local market. Look, overnight it was pretty mixed from Wall Street. There's concerns by global investors over there about China's economic growth numbers, which came out yesterday. China's economy didn't grow as much as what economists were predicting in the third quarter. It still lifted 4.9%. On a quarterly basis, but that was lower than expected. We know the problems China's having with the property market, and Evergrande in particular had weighed down the economy. But look, today the one to watch is actually the Bitcoin price. It's up 30% over the last month. It's now at about $62,000, and it's been rising because companies have been proposing to launch exchange-traded funds investing in cryptocurrency. But one of them this morning, just a couple of hours ago, pulled its fund. It decided it's not going to launch it. That could disrupt the Bitcoin price, and we could see the price fall a little bit today off the back of that.
Interesting. Just on China, we also noticed that iron ore miner BHP has reported a soft start to the new financial year. Obviously, that is a big tie to China.
Look, that's actually around their actual production levels. So their production is down 3% this quarter compared to the previous quarter. And it's sort of similar figures to what Rio Tinto reported last week with their production falling for iron ore as well. And both companies have talked about labour shortages, skill shortages in Western Australia. BHP's talked about a lack of train drivers that move the iron ore from its mines to the ports in the Pilbara. And Rio Tinto has talked more generally about a WA skills crisis. And both companies, I think, would like to see borders reopen for Western Australia so more skilled workers can move in there and skilled migrants from overseas can come into Australia and start working again. And I think when we see that, we'll start to see production lift at those two big businesses.
Indeed. Oh, it sounds like more COVID-related than China-related today. Ed, thanks so much. We'll check in soon.